Hey, um, as you know, sorry. So, just wanted to tell you, I have this new thing I made up. Um, you know how you're outside of a house with where inside the house is blasting music, and then you open the door and then it just gets louder? Well, I can make that sound, so this is how it sounds. So, that's pretty much it. See you.